Below is a logo for a development company. Determine the area of the shaded region of the logo. Use 3.14 for pi. Round to the nearest tenth of an inch. Alright, so nearest tenth of an inch. Use 3.14 for pi. Alright, so it says determine the shaded region. So I want the shaded region. Alright, so looking at my shape, I turn it like this. Hey, look, it's a square. Awesome. All right, so my big square is 12 by 12. So that's easy. The area of that square is just 12 times 12, which is 12 times 12. Well, let's think about it. Actually, let's do this. I know that 12 times 10 is 120. And 12 times 2 is 24. So I could add 12 times 10 and 12 times 2 and get my answer. 0 plus 4 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 0 is 1. So 144 is the big square. Okay. All right, now if I turn it this way, I can see the little square is 10 by 10. Okay, so I have the next one, which is 10 times 10, and that one I remember is 100. Okay, all right. And then my circle, my radius is 2. So I remember that area, that circle is pi times radius squared, which is pi times radius, and it said pi is 3.14 times 2 times 2. Oh, and I know that is 4. Okay, so 3.14 times 4 is going to give me the area of my circle. I'll come over here and do 3.14 times 4. And I put 3.14 on top because it's got more digits. It has 3 digits. Okay? All right, so 4 times 4 is 16. Carry my 1. 1 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 times 4 is 12. I have 2 numbers behind my decimal here. So I need 2 numbers behind my decimal here. 1, 2. So 12.56. So 12.56 is my circle. All right. So it wants the area of the shaded region. Okay, shaded region. All right, well, the shaded part is this big square and the circle. But then I have this right here that's not shaded. So if I take the big square and subtract the little square, it'll give me this part that's left. So if I do 144 minus 100, that leaves me with 44. Okay, so that's this big square right here minus this little square. So this shaded part right here, the area is 44. But my circle is also shaded, so I have to add that in, 12.56. So remember, line up my dot, give it all I got. 6, 5, decimal point. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 56, 56. But my answer says round to the nearest tenth. And this is the tenth, one place past the decimal. So 56, is it closer to 50 or 60? It's closer to 60, so my answer is 56.6 centimeters squared.